Welcome to the Optimize Monthly Snapshot. I'm David Ferreira, Portfolio Manager with Optimize Wealth, and for this snapshot, we'll update you on the moves in the markets over the past month, provide some highlights from our portfolios, and touch on some of the opportunities we see on the horizon. May began with a barrage of earnings reports and economic data which gave investors plenty to digest. Inflation print in Canada and the US showed further progress towards central banks' targets, leading to the Bank of Canada to cut its policy rate early in June and really strengthening the case for a rate cut south of the border as well. Combining this with a healthy earnings season and resilient employment and GDP growth, investor optimism is high as we head into the summer months. One sector that stood out in May was the technology sector, with significant market growth driven by innovation and increasing demand for digital solutions. With continued growth in areas such as cloud computing, AI, streaming, and e-commerce, the sector benefited immensely from this trend. AI in particular requires immense computing power, prompting tech companies to invest heavily in upgrading their data-related infrastructure. This global push towards digital transformation across various industries really accelerated the demand for these products, and the tech giants are leading the charge in meeting this demand and really stand the most to benefit. Now, moving to the industrial sector, our position spotlight for the month is Caterpillar, a long-term holding in the optimized portfolios. Caterpillar has been a great contributor to our portfolio's return over the past few quarters. As a world leader in construction equipment, Caterpillar is set to benefit from ongoing government investment in infrastructure and overall global economic growth. The company ended 2023 with nearly $7 billion in cash and lower debt than industry average, showing its financial strength. Last quarter, they also generated over $15 billion in revenue, showcasing the steady demand for their products. It's important to note that Caterpillar has consistently paid and increased its dividends over the past 30 years, making it a dividend aristocrat, providing stability for investors. Now, looking ahead to the balance of 2024 and beyond, here's some of the things our team is keeping an eye on. First off, with the Bank of Canada reducing its interest rate last week, we see the outlook remaining positive for the broader markets. As inflation has come down from the highs of the last few years, this move is intended to loosen economic conditions and really stimulate growth. Lower interest rates tend to be good for all financial assets, and while the rising tide lifts all boats, we continue to find attractive opportunities in this very dynamic market environment. Although we have highlighted the tech sector this month, one exciting opportunity on the horizon is the expansion of market strength to broader sectors of the economy. Our active management approach allows us to make timely decisions and find some great opportunities in many other sectors. And that's all for today's monthly market snapshot. It was an exciting month with some positive momentum heading into June. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next month.